Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today I am going to make breakfast cookies. I'll just need oats, bananas, raisins, and some cinnamon.
Mash up the bananas. Mix in the oats. Sprinkle in some cinnamon. This is optional. Mix in the raisins.
Take a heaping spoonful and roll into a ball. You'll want to go ahead and shape these into a cookie form as they won't rise or spread when baking. This is an easy dish you can make for meal prep. Just bake a batch of these breakfast cookies and store them in the fridge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me on this journey as I try to build a healthier and kinder cooking repertoire.